Hey, it's LSFD here today, and today we're here to look at a different side puddle light. I posted a video for the side puddle light that I bought from Lights, and I purchased the non-fading quartz film, and you were able to see how sharp and how good that puddle light was. So after posting that video, a few subscribers have reached out to Lights to purchase their own puddle lights, and told them that they were referred by my video. I thank the folks who mentioned to them that they were referred from my video. And again, I am not affiliated to them and I do not get any commission if you purchase from them. I am just a normal customer who purchased from them and wanted to show you that you can customize your own puddle lights and what the outcome looks like. So after that, a few subscribers told them that they bought because of my video. They reached out to me and said that they thanked me for doing the video, and because of me referring them, they actually wanted to do something about it. So they said that they wanted to send me another set of puddle lights. So giving it some thought, I took their offer, and because one thing I wanted to do was to be able to compare the custom normal film versus the non-fading quartz film. So now you can see in this image that has been frozen for quite some time. What is the difference? You can definitely see that the film is not as sharp. It's definitely not as sharp as the non-fading one. But then it actually shows the cadmium orange NX and the customizations of the car. And then you also notice that there is no LSFT but a Lexus logo. And this version is $10 lower in price. So what do you think about this version over the non-fading version? Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Follow me on Instagram at LSFT videos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450H Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below. Like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, and or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. Here we have the box. I've actually opened this box already, and I've actually taken one of the lights out and put them in my car so that I can film what it looks like from when I open the door. So what I want, this is not really an unboxing, but really I wanted to do a comparison between the two. So let's go here and open the box, and I'll compare the two here. All right. So first things first. This is the version that came with the film. Okay. They did come with another screwdriver, the small screwdriver, so I can pry open the light, and I can say that the car light one was much easier to pry out than the original one that came from Lexus. The Lexus one was really perfect fit, and it was very hard to shove this screwdriver into it and open like an area where I can pull it out. In the car lights, you see this curvature here. It actually allowed me to put the screw over here and pry it out, and it was actually much easier to take out. So that's good. Okay. All right, so the two lights came with this packaging. So in this packaging, there were the two lights, and they also included a film. So I actually asked them, would we all get these films when we actually get our lights? And they came back saying that they typically will provide extra films just in case there's the film actually fades out, and that's why they included these films. But there's no guarantee that these films will actually be available. So it just depends on, I think, how they cut them up. And if there's extra, you will definitely get one. So when you see I push this close to the camera, you can actually see what it looks like. And it looks quite nice, actually, from just this view. All right, so this is what they typically can provide, but I don't know, it's guaranteed that how many they will provide, and will there be one as part of the package. All right, so let's look into this. So this one is the film based, which they said that it will be possible that it will fade over time, and this one is the lower cost one. So here you can see the construction of the two are actually much different. You can see that the glass one, the quartz one, actually is fully covered. And in this plastic one, it's actually opened up. All right. So we can see here the two openings. You can see that in the quartz one, the two openings are actually in the same spot. The smaller one and the larger one for the larger plug. And for this one, the larger plug's actually on this side and the smaller one's on the other side. So there is a little bit different. And then when you look at here, you can see that this also has the movements. So you can actually move the light further away, right center down, or a little bit over closer to the inside of the car. And here you can see, I don't know if it's close enough. You can see here, let me see if I can get a closer look. In here, you would see a slot. Let me see if I can do this. So in here, you can see a slot where that's where the film is. So you can actually take this, pull it out, and replace the film that you saw in the bag. So that if it does fade or something happens to it, you can actually replace it by yourself. All right. So another thing is that I've noticed is in here, inside, there's actually two LEDs. So when this turns on, this whole portion also turns on with lighting, and we actually have this going down onto the floor where we have the film that shines your custom view. Overall, I would say construction-wise, it's definitely different. The quartz one is much heavier. This one is much lighter. And you can also see that this one's white and this one's black. So there's definitely different construction. And this one feels more substantial. So the more expensive one that has the quartz film definitely is a little bit more substantial. And this one there's a little bit more opening, because I think they have it open so that you can actually change the film when needed. All right, so overall, looking at it, they look very similar, but then they're also very different. This one seems to be much bigger, probably because of the quartz film. And this one, you really can't go and make any changes to the what it looks like. In this one, you can change the film and you can have something different. All right, I'm not going to go and open this because there's actually clamps that clamp it down. You can actually pull it out. And then there's two wires that are actually soldered to the light. So when you change the film, try not to break that soldered wires, then you should be fine.
A few of you have reached out to me to get your own custom lights, and just wanted to show others what is produced, and hopefully when they actually get them installed, they can share a picture for me and then I can share it on my community on YouTube. And I want to take this opportunity to thank WarBobby3236. Thank you for your super thanks, and I hope you like your puddle lights, and hopefully they'll arrive soon. The normal film gets the color I like, but then it doesn't give me the sharpness that I want as well. The non-fading one definitely is more sharper, and I really hope that they can produce a non-fading one with any colors, but then that's life. It seems like you cannot get everything you want. I personally prefer the non-fading version more because it's a lot more sharper, and it really just feels a lot more better quality. But the normal film still looks decent. But I would say it doesn't give me the sharpness I want. I showed a few friends and they were interestingly thinking something different. They actually prefer the normal film version more over this non-fading version. So let me know in the comments below, which one do you prefer and why? I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.